Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free stuff on Temu. Yes, you heard it right, free stuff on Temu, and it's very easy. In this tutorial, I'm going to get 5 free gifts and you can have them too. All you have to do is follow my steps. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing is to open the Temu app. Here you can see the home page of the Temu app. After that, tap on the Use section on the bottom menu. Here you can see a lot of sections, and make sure you tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. If you don't see it, just swipe it down and then tap on it. Here you can see so many options to earn credits and free gift. This time I'm going to do the first one, the one on the top, 5 free gifts. Here you can see many gifts, so just pick the one that you wish to have. For myself, I just picked the first one is the watch, and so you can pick. I have to pick the 4 other different gifts. You can pick the one that you like too. I'm gonna do it very quick. This socks. Okay, so after finish picking 5 free gifts, all you have to do is as a new address, because I didn't have address here. You just have to input your address and then tap save. For example, and then save. So you press on next step. You have to flip a price cut here. Yeah, I got cut $0.76. Okay, so the thing is you have to cut the price as much as you can, and then the last thing is you have to invite friends to get the price cut, and you may send the link via messenger, or you can copy link and send it like via any platform you want. Maybe next time. Okay, so that's just how you get 5 free gifts on Temu, and I'm gonna keep making like many other videos, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay,